You've probably already seen those adorable clips of animals doing human activities like cooking, cleaning, or even shopping. They're all over TikTok and YouTube Shorts right now, and these channels are literally pulling millions of views. Some of them are just faceless accounts posting simple short clips, but when you peek under the hood, they're making serious money. Between TikTok's creativity program payouts and YouTube ad revenue, it's not just views for fun, it's actual passive income. And here's the crazy part. You don't need expensive gear, you don't need real animals, you don't even need editing experience. It's all being done with AI tools that are either free or dirt cheap. So here's what we're gonna do together. I'm gonna walk you step by step through the exact process. We'll generate the ideas, create the images, animate them, add custom music, and then stitch it all together into a polished, viral-ready video inside CapCut. And by the way, drop a quick comment right now and let me know which animal you'd personally want to see in your video. Could be a dog chef, a parrot DJ, or maybe even a hamster running a grocery store. I love reading your ideas, and who knows, I might even feature them in a future breakdown. Now, before we jump in real quick, do me a favor and tap that like button because it genuinely helps this tutorial get recommended to more creators like you. Every single like tells the algorithm, hey, people want to see this, and it makes a massive difference. Okay, let's break it down. Step 1 is creating our scenes. And don't stress if you've never written prompts before because I've made it super simple. I've got a Google Doc filled with ready-made scene prompts, and I'll link that below in the description. So go ahead and open that up. You'll see examples like a cat cooking in a tiny kitchen, or a dog wearing a suit and typing on a laptop. And here's the key tip. If you want to customize it, just swap out the animal or swap out the activity. So instead of cat cooking, change it to penguin cleaning. Super easy. Now take that scene prompt and paste it straight into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and instantly you'll see it spin up a whole set of creative scene ideas. This step matters a lot because it sets the story foundation your images and videos will follow. And quick warning here, don't overload your scene prompt with too many details the first time. Keep it simple, then refine. Otherwise, ChatGPT can get a little too wild and your images won't match up cleanly. Once you've got your scenes ready, we move to the second part, which is generating image prompts. Go back to that same Google Doc and scroll down to the image prompts section. Copy one of those and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter and watch as it gives you a beautifully detailed description you can use directly in AI art generators. And here's a pro tip. Ask ChatGPT to output multiple variations of the same prompt. That way, when you plug them into your generator, you get options to choose from and you're not just stuck with one style. Trust me, this little hack saves a ton of frustration. All right, once you've got your prompts, let's move to actually generating the images. And for this tutorial, we're using Ideogram, which is free to start. Open up your browser, search Ideogram, make an account if you don't already have one, and once you're logged in, click the plus button to start creating. Now, before you paste your prompt in, adjust a few settings. This is where most beginners mess up, so don't skip it. Change the style to realistic if you want your animals to look natural. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it's perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And remember, vertical videos are the key here. If you upload horizontal, your reach tanks, so stick to 9:16. Now copy your first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Ideogram. Click Generate, and in a few seconds, you'll get a handful of variations. Scroll through, pick your favorite, download it, and repeat this process for all the prompts you prepared. And here's another warning. Don't just grab the first image and move on. Take the time to compare, because sometimes the second or third variation is way more engaging, and that's what drives higher watch time later on. Once you've built up your image set, we're gonna bring them to life. And for this, we'll use Haluo AI. So go ahead and search for Haluo AI video, log in or create a free account, click the creation icon, and choose the image to video feature. Upload one of the images you just generated. Now, here's the part people overlook. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the exact same prompt you used for that image. Paste it into the text box in Haluo, click Generate, and boom, it will animate your still picture into a smooth, dynamic clip. Give it a few moments to process and then preview. If it looks good, download it. If not, tweak and rerun. And just a heads up, some animations can look a little stiff the first time, so don't be afraid to re-prompt or test different images. Now repeat this step for all your images until you've got a full set of animated clips. So at this point, you've got the visuals. Now we need audio, specifically custom background music. And for that, we'll use Suno. Head over to suno.com, make an account if you don't already have one, click on the music icon to start creating, then open ChatGPT and type in something like, write calming lyrics about a cat cooking dinner, or write energetic lyrics for a dog DJ set, and it'll spit out some fun lyrics. Copy those into Suno, then ask ChatGPT for a music style suggestion, like lo-fi hip-hop, upbeat pop, or cinematic orchestral depending on your vibe. Paste that into Suno as well. Give your track a title, click Create, and let Suno do its magic. Within seconds, it'll give you 2 unique tracks. Listen to both. Download the one that matches your visuals, and pro tip, always save the second one too because you might want to repurpose it for another video later. Okay, now we're in the final stretch, editing, and this is where CapCut comes in. So open CapCut, start a new project, import all your animated clips, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, arrange the clips in story order, so maybe your animal shops for groceries, cooks the meal, and then eats it. Add transitions between each clip for smooth flow, click apply to all so it's consistent, and don't forget to stretch or crop clips if they have watermarks you don't want showing. Once your visuals are lined up, bring in your background music track from Suno, sync it with the scenes, and here's a killer engagement hack. Layer in sound effects that match the actions, like chopping sounds when the cat cuts veggies or keyboard clicks when the dog types. It makes the video way more immersive. Now, watch the full project from start to finish, check pacing, adjust volumes, trim if needed, and once you're happy, click Export, bump the resolution to 4K for maximum quality, save it to your device, and just like that, you've got a viral-ready, AI-generated animal video. And if you stayed with me until this point, you're already ahead of most people who quit halfway. So seriously, give yourself some credit. And real quick, if you found this breakdown helpful, drop a comment saying, "I'm ready," so I know you're committed. Plus, I'll be replying to as many of you as I can. Now don't just stop at one video. The key to growth in this niche is consistency. Post regularly, test different animals and activities, see what gets the best engagement, and keep refining. The algorithm loves consistency and variety. And here's the final call to action. If you want more tutorials like this, where I break down AI automation strategies step by step, make sure you subscribe right now because I've got a series coming that dives into even more profitable niches. So hit that button and I'll see you in the next one.